So, together, dominant and recessive alleles are classified based on how they affect a characteristic. A dominant allele is expressed in the phenotype even when only one copy is present. This means that a single dominant allele is enough to determine the visible trait. A recessive allele is only expressed in the phenotype when two copies are present, meaning when no dominant allele is present. If a recessive allele is paired with a dominant allele, its effect is not shown. When both the dominant and a recessive allele are present in the same individual, the dominant allele masks the effect of the recessive allele, so only the dominant trait appears in the phenotype. However, the recessive allele is still present in the genotype and can be passed on to the next generation. This explains why two parents showing a dominant trait can still produce a child with a recessive trait if both parents carry the recessive allele. So the comparison is that a dominant allele is expressed in the phenotype even if only one copy is present. It can show its effect in both heterozygous and homozygous conditions. In a heterozygous condition, it masks the recessive allele. It is represented by a capital letter such as capital A. A dominant allele will always be expressed if it is present, for example brown eyes. It can also be passed on to the next generation even if only one copy is inherited. The recessive allele is only expressed in the phenotype when two copies are present, meaning in a homozygous condition. In a heterozygous condition, its effect is masked by the dominant allele. It is represented by a lowercase letter such as small a. A recessive allele is only seen when no dominant allele is present, for example blue eyes, where both alleles are small b. It can be carried without being expressed and still passed on to future generations.